Very good morning, students. Welcome to our online class from American Bridge International School. Okay, so are you ready for the class for today, everyone? Okay, so now let's begin. Alright, everyone, now look at the whiteboard. Today is Wednesday, June 16, 2021. Alright, so first session, Wednesday, what we're going to study. Can you tell, teacher? Yes, we study Treehouse 3, alright? So, Unit 9, the candy factory, okay? So, before we continue on page 116, now teacher would like you to listen to the track first about the story, okay? So, now let's start.
Listen, add the stickers, and say. Let's make candy. Is this a scarf? Push the button. Wow! Hello!
Alright, everyone, so after you listen to the track, did you remember what was happening in our story? Alright, so Monty and kangaroos make the candy, alright, and they meet the candy king, okay. And yesterday, everyone, we also learned the process of the making chocolate candy too, alright. So today, everyone, please open your book on page 117 and we study about the values, alright, okay? Yes, everyone, so when you eat chocolate, okay, when you eat chocolate or when you eat food or when you drink something, after that you have to brush your teeth, alright? Brush your teeth. Again, after you eat chocolate, after you drinking, after you eat food, you have to brush your teeth, alright? Brush your teeth. So look here, everyone. Repeat after teacher. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Again, brush your teeth. Okay, so I hope that you understand and you brush your teeth often after you eat food or eat candy. Okay, everyone. So, alright, everyone, so look over here. If you brush your teeth correctly and regularly after eating food or drink something, it can get rid of plaque and food particles, alright? And it makes your mouth clean, alright? And it's good for your mouth and your teeth. But if you don't brush your teeth often, you will have bad smell, alright? Bad smell and bad teeth, okay? And it will make your mouth and your teeth dirty, alright? It will make your mouth and your teeth dirty, so you have to go to the doctor, alright? And it costs a lot of money, okay? And it also make you toothaches as well, alright? So, students, you have to brush your teeth every day after you eat food and drink. Okay, you got it, everyone? Alright. So, look at page 117. You can see here, this little boy is brushing his teeth. This little girl is not brushing her teeth. You can see that her mouth is dirty, alright? So everyone, please match the happy face and the sad face. Which one you choose? this one or this one. If you choose this one, you have to match happy face. If you don't choose this one, you have to match sad face. Alright? So now what should we do, everyone? What should we choose? Okay, so the best choice is to choose brushing our teeth. Alright? We have to brush our teeth every day. So match with happy face. And this we don't. Alright? We don't choose it. So we have to match with sad face. Alright? Okay? Do you understand, everyone? Alright. Alright, everyone. So today we've learned about the values. Brush your teeth. Okay? Brush your teeth. Alright. So that's it, everyone, for today. Now teacher would like to say goodbye and see you for the second session.